Lean to your left a little bit, guys. On this one, we're leaning in. So when you start around a turn, you lean to the outside. And when you're into it, then you lean to the inside.
I was just leaning to whichever side seemed to keep the sled straight upright.
You were doing fantastic. The trick to it is just to do what your guide does and let they fall off.
Yes.
The other day I was doing a tour and I'm the most awesome musher of all time, blah, blah, blah. Just turned around like this. The sled sunk and it caught my foot. Plan.
You look gracefully though, right?
Very gracefully.
So do you normally run 12? That's 12, right? 12
Yep, we've got 12 right now. During Iditarod we actually run 14 to 16. And you know, during Iditarod they're only doing about 300 pounds with you and your gear.
Yeah.
So you've got a lot of juice. And that's where the relationship piece plays such a huge factor, so yeah, listen to you.
Yeah.
Because there's a couple spots on the trail you come down something that's steep.
Oh yeah. Well, I imagine I'm making whitewater rafting comparisons in my head, so we're doing like class 0 rapids, maybe class 1.
It's
and I
pretty
assume
easy.
the Iditarod runs up to class 5.
Yeah, there's a few spots. In 2014 we did about 700 miles of it on bare ground. It's just a bad snow year.
Wow.
And for the dogs that was great. They're like, sweet, let's go. For us, not so
Not
great.
so much, yeah. So did you like just this sled on bare ground, or did you have to?
Well, pretty much bare ground. This is a touring sled. My Iditarod sled is more carbon fiber and aluminum and more stylish for racing.
But you didn't like put wheels on it or anything?
No. But that year, something like 95% of the sleds broke.
Yeah, I would believe it.
So it feels like there's a lot of flexibility in the sled too.
There is. These are designed to maneuver and move. This is actually what we consider a stiff sled. The carbon fiber is almost completely articulated.